Okay, sa video to, another example ang gagawin natin sa if, else, if. Okay, so click natin ang notepad. Okay, so lagyan natin HTML head title, lagay natin example 1. Close ang title. Okay, close ang head. Okay, then body. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito sa example natin is yung year level ng mga students. For example, nag-click ka ng 1, so first year high school. Syempre, first year high school, freshman. Okay, kung 2, second year high school, sophomore. Okay, so gawin natin. So, script type. Okay, so lagyan natin text, then JavaScript. Okay, then lagyan natin var. So since year level siya, lagyan natin YL. Okay, so ang ating variable name YL is equals prompt. Lagyan natin enter student year level from 1 to 4 only. Okay, so pwede na yan, no? So tawagin natin si YL. So gawa tayo ng if YL is equals to 1. Okay, so lagyan natin open curly brace, then alert. Lagyan natin first year mali spelling, high school. Okay, so another alert. Lagyan natin freshman. Okay, mali na naman spelling. Ayan. Okay guys, pwede kayong gumamit ang document.write dito Okay, so ngayon puro alert lang gagamitin natin dito sa video to. So else if, so lagyan natin YL equals 2. Then lagyan natin alert. Lagyan naman natin second year high school. Okay, another alert. So lagyan naman natin sophomore. Okay, close. Okay, so copy paste na lang natin, no? So highlight, right click, copy, then paste. So palitan na lang natin to, no? Okay, gawin natin 3. Third year. Okay, so gawin naman natin tong junior. Okay, so since na-copy na naman natin, paste na lang uli natin. Okay, lagyan naman natin dito 4. Then lagyan natin yan, 4th year high school. Then lagyan natin dito senior. Okay, then lagyan natin else alert error. Okay, then script, close ang body, close ang HTML. Okay, so check natin kung tama, no? Okay. Ay, mukhang tama na naman, no? Mukhang okay na. Okay, gawin natin. Save natin. File. Save as. Okay, since nasa JavaScript tutorial folder na tayo, so, ang lagay nating title is example 1 na rin. Example1.html. Okay, so save. Okay. Double click. Double click again. You know. Okay, so lagyan natin. 1. Click OK. So, first year high school, freshman. So, another. Click natin. 2. Okay, second year high school, sophomore. Okay, so okay na yan, no? Pag yung tinesting nyo sa mga computer nyo, so kayo na lang mag 1, 2, 4, no? Kayo na lang mag-test nyan, no? So, click na lang natin ito, another let's say 5. Okay, wala namang 5 dahil 1 to 4 only daw nakalagay, kaya error. Okay, so another example. Okay, so close muna natin to. Okay, so ang gawin natin, edit na lang natin to, no? Another example, lagyan natin example 2. Okay, gawin naman natin mga months. Okay, so delete na lang natin to. Ayan. So lagay tayo ng variable month equals prompt, lagyan natin enter months number from 1 to 12 only. So, syempre, 12 months lang naman tayo meron, no? Okay. So, gawin natin. If, tawagin natin si month, equals 1. Okay, so lagyan natin alert. So lagyan natin dito January. Okay. Then else if month is equals to 2, lagyan natin alert February. Okay. Again, else if month is equals to 3, so lagyan naman natin alert March. Okay. Else if month is equals to 4, alert. So lagay natin April. Then else if month is equals to 5, lagay naman natin alert May. Okay. Another else if month 6, alert equals to June. Okay. Else if equals to 7, Okay. Alert. Lagyan natin July. Then, else if again, month equals to 8. Then, alert. Lagyan naman natin August. Yan. Then, else if again, month is equals to 9. Then, alert. Lagyan natin September. Then else if month is equals to 10, alert October. Else if month is equals to 11, okay, so alert November. Okay. Else if month is equals to 12, alert December. Okay. Then else, okay, so lagyan natin alert error. Okay. So, ayan, no? So, angat natin ng konti to. Okay. So, ang haba, no? So, pwede naman natin copy-paste. Inisa-isa ko pa. Ang reason is baka kasi magkalituan sa buwan, no? Kasi kahit naman sabihin natin 1 to 12 lang yan, eh, possible na malito rin ako, no? So, yun. Anyway, so, save natin. File. Save as. Okay, so instead of example 1, example 2.html. Okay, save. Okay, so subukan natin. Double click. Yun, example 2. Double click again. Ayun. Okay, susubukan natin. 1 January. Okay. Tingnan natin. 5 natin. 10 11. Diba? Or kunyari, may 15 month. Okay. Error. Kasi wala na, hanggang 1 to 12 lang naman, di ba? Okay, so ganoon lang kadali. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang yung ating tutorial. Magkita-kita tayo uli sa sunod na tutorial.